On his return from rescuing exiled Alafin Ajaka, his senior brother, the Olowu of Owu's clutches, Prince Sango goes to the market. There he sights a very mysterious lady.
Excuse me, young lady. I am Prince Sango, son of our Omiyan, great-grandson of Oduduwa, the founder and ancestor of the Yoruba race. My grandfather is Alafin, the ruler of this kingdom. Yes, that's me, a prince. Grant me the honor to speak with you.
How are you, Prince?
You are beautiful.
And how do you assess beauty?
Do you live in this part? I want to make acquaintance with you.
You?
Please, do not deflate my self-esteem. I hate it. And if any kingdom, no matter how powerful, threatens the sanctity of Oyo, that kingdom will be ruthlessly dealt with.
At his coronation, Alafin Sango demonstrates his magical powers to his subjects. Tamodu had been set to assassinate Alafin Sango with a bow and arrow.
Thank you, my people. Thank you.